in Chicago. What people don't generally know is that Illinois was number 3 in foreclosures behind Florida and Nevada. And so deciding what neighborhoods to invest in where the money is not going to be completely lost and might stabilize the neighborhood was actually sort of an interesting analytic problem. And we built an analytics, a full stack web analytics framework in Python with some D3, and they're using it now, and it was a great introduction to data science.
Hi, my name is Sunny. I've been working as a statistician and economist for 7 years in my country. But now, since 3 years, I'm working as web and app developer.
Cool, welcome. Angus?
My name is Angus.
Thank you so much.
Currently work as migration and desktop technician support. So I'm just like a data analyst enthusiast because I'm trying to transfer over into health information technology. And most of the implementations in that area has moved forward already. So I assume they will have lots of data to be analyzed. So I'm trying to see if I can get a foot into that area through the what's called the Bronx Regional Health Information Office. So I'm just here learning, just learn stuff.
Anna?
Hi guys, I'm Anna. I work as a data scientist here at Analytics, and I'm a big fan of Vivian classes. I think she does a fantastic job, so I'm more than happy to host her here at Analytics.
And
Hi, I'm Asia. I'm just sitting in. I work here at Analytics as well. I am one of the front-end developers here, and I just work on various things. Like Jack Horse raised on that.
cool.
Are you a hands-on developer as well?
Sorry?
Are you a hands-on developer? Or
I do prototyping work, but not even comparing to what the magic that Asia does.
Oh, wow. That makes me think I should invite you for next one.
Oh yeah.
Can you teach workshop?
Asia, this is how you get drafted.
Guys, I'm sharing my screen with you through Join Me, so you can see my screen through this link. Sublime. It's join.me/nyc-open-data. So this is the $5 membership for. We buy different services so you can learn better during the session. Join.me/nyc-open-data. So just type your name and knock my door, and or let you share my screen. Vija? Who is this? Vich. Who else? Because it's really hard to read code on the big screen. It's better for you to be able to see my screen from your laptop. Who else? And
What's the URL again?
Angus, you are regular.
I'm not that regular to remember this stuff.
Can you all see my screen now? If you don't bring a laptop, you can see it from your cell phone. Join Me have a mobile app.
Oh.
Or, yeah, it's very easy to see from your laptop. What? Who else? Sunny?
Yes.
Angus? Who else? I'll get started soon. Did everyone get access? Or
No,
you're trying?
I'm stuck at the splash screen.
What do you mean the splash screen?
I'm at joinme.com. It was /NYC
Dash.
open data, right?
Yes.
No, it's
That-
not joinme.com. It's join.me.
Join.me.
Ah, okay. Sorry.
He's not familiar with this extension.
I see. Hi, sir. What's your name? Siwa, what do you do?
Developer.
Like IT developer or data analytic type?
IT.
Cool. Welcome. Mario, Ryan.
Yep.
That's it, right? Okay. So you already have the private key, and because I'm showing it on Mac, I want to show you quickly how you can access the instant from Windows. So this recording comes from my 2 weeks ago Hadoop session. One of the students showed how to access the instant by PuTTY. Do you all have PuTTYs?
PuTTYgen in addition to regular PuTTY.
Okay. Try to follow along.
PuTTYgen, open it, and it'll look like this.
So I will stop here. I will let you to open your PuTTY key generator. Do you all have it? How about this? I work through all the stuff I want to talk about, and each individual try to follow me along based on the slides. I will taught you like how can you reach each step based on my slides, and you should have like half hour to 45 minutes to make this work on your own laptop. Sounds good?
But me, I don't have the PuTTY.
You don't have PuTTY, so who have PuTTY here?
I have to,
Okay.
but I don't know how to enter the key. I didn't see the.
I'll go really quickly here, but
So there are about 5 minutes video about how you can set
the
up
format
PuTTY.
that Amazon
So
issued a private key in.
basically, you open your PuTTY key generator
So you'll find your key in there.
and
The
find your
file you
key
download,
there.
you'll open it.
Open the private key I just gave you by the PuTTY key generator.
It'll give you this screen with some information. So that's the actual private key. Then you type in whatever comment you have, so you can not get confused.
How to?
You need the PuTTY key generator, not PuTTY.
Not this. Okay.
Yes, it's the key generator.
For the key gen?
And then
Yeah,
click
PuTTY
Save
key
Private
gen.
Key.
And once you load the private key, you click on
Create a .ppk file,
save the private key and save
which you can use with PuTTY. I can show you how to do that.
So I suggest you don't put any extra keywords because it will ask you to type it every time you log into the instance.
Two more times? Sure. Alright, so once you download PuTTYgen, open it, and it'll look like this.
If you can't get PuTTY key generator, try to make some screenshot or review my video. I'm recording everything.
Then go to the conversions menu, click on import keys.
Resolution. The main screen is okay, I can see, but like
You can do full screen. Did you see the middle button? You can do a full screen. You have you can have the perfect resolution.
Dialog pops up, find the .pem file that you downloaded from Amazon just a few minutes ago.
Did you guys get PuTTYgen? It's pretty small. You can download this on the fly. Can you tell me where you are now? Are you downloading PuTTYgen now?
Spectacular will happen, but you need to. This will basically give you the option to give it a comment and attach a password to the key file if you want to. I didn't. This is just academic. But once you have this open, click Save Private Key. It'll warn you. Just click Yes, and it'll generate a .ppk file, which I guess is
So basically, you want to use the PuTTY key generator to get the PPT file.
PuTTY private key. It's a format that PuTTY knows how to read. Yeah, I mean, whatever you want. Call it my private key. So, NYC open data private keys. Alright, so that's step one.
Okay, I think it's easier to go to the link I already set up. So if you go to my data science school, click on meetup and click on the Hadoop workshop 1. You can find a link about Windows user connect to EC2 instance using PuTTY. That's the link you can follow along. So let me send you the links right after the meetups link. I'm putting this under the comment section. So it's right under the event announcement. And it's called Windows user connect to EC2 instance from PuTTY. So if you are interested about how to set up your instance on Amazon, I have 2 events before, and I archive all the material in the meetup page. So let me show you what I want to do today. So you should have the slides already. I have 5 things I want to do. First is I want to show you how you can deploy your nodejs on EC2 instance. Second, I want to bring up an Express page. So Express is quick services for you to pull up a web page really quickly. So you don't need to set up the routes, the views, the models. So Express just generate a bunch of default one for you. So the second one is I want to show you how you can connect your Node.js page to Bootstrap framework. Third part is the most difficult part. I want to introduce you how you can control routes, which means how you can switch between different pages. Like after you log in, you should switch from index page to home page, like with your username. I also want to show how you can save session data into your cookies instead of keep calling the server all the time. So which can save a lot of traffic. And how can you save your username or content into MongoDB? How you can you hide the error? Like if your server is sending back error, how can you display it beautifully in your web page instead of big mess? Also, beside logging, you want to have visitor control. So if people didn't log in, they can still access like home page, because if you don't have extra rendering algorithm, they can still pass that authentication. In the end, I want to show you how you can scrape the website. I scraped our meetups front page by MongoDB. Last, you can specifically say what JSON file in this web page you want to save into Mongo. So this is the complete goal for tonight's event, but I feel like it's too much. I spent 60 hours to prepare this meetup with my team, so hope it's a good one. So first, let me show you how Anna, the screen is off. But okay, cool, thank you. So first, let me log into my EC2. This is tonight's EC2's link. I'm going to AWS and my manager console. So right now I have one instance running. It's called nodejs 3, nodejs demo. I made this just for this meetup. So this is the public DSN. You can access it by specify like which portal you are connecting to. Right now the node is not up, that's why I couldn't see it. So you should be able to access this page by using your private key. So because we have about 12 people here, so I want you use different portal. Like I will use 2001. So who will use 2000? 2002?
Oh, I'm just following along.
Yeah, following along means you want to do things. So take one portal.
I'll
Wait,
take
I
one.
just want to get to meetup.
So 2003, 2004, 2005. Did you bring a laptop? 2006, 2008,
2008.
7, 8.
I'm 7, you're 8? Okay.
Angus, you are 9. Anna, can you take 2010?
Wait,
Okay.
I don't see the public DNS on the meetup. Oh wait.
I just posted. It's in the comment section.
I see to look for Windows users on EC2, but I don't see the public DNS.
So I post 3 links.
Oh, there it is. Sorry.
The first link, if you click on that and search for Windows user connect to EC2 instance using police, it has the exactly details. But guys, pay attention to what I'm saying now so you can actually do it later. If you get lost here, you can keep up with it. So first, if you are going to get in your account later, how you can do that? You can click on instance, click on launch instance, and pick nines. If you count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 8 nines, Ubuntu, and we are choosing the non-free tier one. Otherwise, the computing power is not enough for supporting all of us. So click on choose, select, and click on 6. We are jumping from step 2 to step 6. Configure security group. Security group sounds like a firewall. So if you are running several instances within one cluster, you want to put them into the same security group. So defaultly, Amazon will give you a name. Like here, it's launch wizard. When I set up my security group, I type nodejs demo. So I type nodejs demo 2. Node.js demo 2.
Marina, I'm sorry, this is to set up the server that we could connect to, or this is to connect to the actual server?
This is set up the server in case you want to have another instance running for yourself.
Okay.
Because after I finish the demonstration, you want to have the working environment for yourself, right? So I just walk through quickly how you can set it up. So you do add rules, add all the TCP, click on anywhere, and add HTTP. And open the portal 80 and anywhere. So you have everything set up. This part means which portal people can access your Node.js instance. And do a review and launch. Here, you can just click launch. Right now, you have it's your only chance to save the private key. So I click on create a new key pair and do node.js demo 2. Download my key pair. That's the key I just give to you. So I give you, do a save, and do a launch. Like in half minutes, the instance were up and running. So you can see it's. So this is the whole process, how you can get your own instance up running. So let's start to use the node I already set up for everyone. You already have the public DSN right underneath of the meetup page. So I want you to try to do SSH-I and you want to save your key into a folder called telt/ssh. I save my key here. It's called nodejs demo PM. So I want you to copy paste your key and save it there.
Can I get the flash drive with the keys in?
It's not at my place. Who have the flash?
Flash drive. With a flash drive with the key.
So you should. Actually, maybe it's easier to do a hack pad. Go cd your delt. Go to your SSH folder. You should have the nodejs demo. Guys, you can access this hack pad right away. So I will put all the command there. Did you get it? So let's go back to the slides. I'm saying the first step is setting up an AWS security group, and we have done it. And we add all the HTTP rules and all the TCP rules.